Windows Server 2008 R2.
Let's go!
Assign IP address. Open Server Manager. Click Add Roles. Check Active Directory Domain Services. Click Active Directory Domain Services. Click Run the Active Directory Domain Services installation wizard. Select Create a new domain in a new forest. Type in a domain name. The next. Select Windows Server 2008 R2. Select Yes. Type in the password. Then click Next. Put check on reboot on completion. Click Add Roles. Check DHCP server. Fill in the following inside boxes. Open Active Directory users and computers. Right-click the name of your domain. Point New, then click Organizational Unit. Type in a folder name, then click OK. Right-click the folder you have created. Point New, then click User. Type in a username. Select Password Never Expires and type in the password. Then click Next. Click the LAN icon and click Open Network and Sharing Center. Click Local Area Connection. Double-click Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4. Assign an IP address of your PC. Then copy the IP address of the server to the default gateway and preferred DNS. Work network. Click Start and right-click Computer, then click Properties. Click Change Settings. Click Domain and type the domain name of the server. Type in the user you have created. Then click OK. Click Restart Now. Click Start, Administrative Tools, then click Group Policy Management. Expand the domain and go to the folder you created earlier. Right-click, then click Create a GPO in this domain. Type a GPO name, then click OK. Right-click the policy you created, then click Edit. Double-click User Configuration, Policies, Windows Settings, Folder Redirection, then right-click Documents, click Properties. On the Target tab, choose Select Basic Redirect Everyone's folder. Leave it open and minimize the background windows. Create a new folder on the desktop and type a name. Right-click the folder you created and go to the Properties. Under Sharing tab, click Advanced Sharing. Check Share this folder and click Permissions. Check Full Control. Under Security tab, click Edit. Click Add. Type letter E, then click Check Names. Select Everyone, then click OK. Check Full Control and click OK. Go to the Properties again of the folder you created. Then under the Sharing tab, highlight the network path, right-click, and click Copy. Paste it under root path, then click Apply and OK. Click Yes.